Good morning from Chalten, Patagonia. Today is another sort of overcast day, but we got up an hour ago to try and shoot sunrise, and it's all about going for it and seeing what you get. So hopefully the light will pop. But we got the whole crew spread out along this ridgeline. A couple of really nice hero trees right here, and some good cloud movement in the valley. So yeah, let's see what we get. And another day in Patagonia starts right now. Let's go. Look at this crew. This is what it's all about. So the morning continues here, and I've got a bit of time to set up my own gear and try and get some photographs, which is great because usually on video assignments I don't have a lot of time to get photos as well. So it's nice to get distracted while I'm trying to vlog about photography by other photographers. But yeah, it's nice. I'm inspired by these guys to try and get better photos and to learn more about long exposures and about balancing all of the aspects of photography. And I'm getting the chance to do that now, which is great. So I'll share a couple of those with you right now, and then the day continues here in Chalten, Patagonia. And we are back from the sunrise shoot. It was really nice and the sun has come out, so hopefully we'll have a good afternoon. The plan is to go back to the hotel, have a few hours to chill out and get some real breakfast, and then I think some of the participants are gonna go with Tom and Brendan to do another one-on-one session and get a bit more editing tips. And I'll be editing these videos, and then I hope we'll go out to a lake that's about a 30-kilometer drive from here. And I've only been there once, so I'm excited to go back and check it out. But yeah, look at how beautiful this is. Amazing Patagonia. Happy birthday to you. Yes, so that is it. Today is Thomas Heaton's birthday, and of course he is playing it super cool and being all humble and just like working with the participants to jump into those edits, just passing it off like it's nothing. So we actually still have a little surprise for him and put together a little happy birthday contemplation video as well. So happy birthday to you, Tom, if you're seeing this, even though right now you're right there. But hey, it's another nice afternoon for editing and doing the one-on-ones and learning more about how to process photographs. So coming up next, we're gonna drive to a lake for hopefully some sunset light. We are getting ready in Pumba here to go and shoot sunset if it happens. I hope so. We're going to follow the road that leads towards the Chilean border in a really remote part of Glacier National Park here outside of Chalten in Argentina. Got the mate right here, got the crew behind us, and it is go time. We have driven probably about half an hour down the road that leads towards the Chilean border in the back of Chalten, and this place is absolutely stunning. It's also luckily for us outside of the national park, which means we can fly the drones. Now we've only got the Mavic Air with us, so we're gonna put it up and see if we can get some nice images of this river and of the fall colors and of the mountains and the scenery, and it looks like this is the perfect place to do so. The crew is setting up images, they're looking for that sunset light, and I think we are in the perfect spot. So here we go.
Found a tree, lone tree perched on the edge of a very precarious cliff. but quite often these sketchy and difficult to get to locations are the best because people just don't shoot them. So yeah, best way to find original compositions is to work a bit harder.
Simply wow, this place is incredible. We have been on the side of this riverbed for probably about 2 hours. The Patagonia workshop crew is completely spread out around this entire area. We've got Brendan back by the bridge helping out some. Got Thomas Heaton back here in those fall colors on the riverbed. And I'm right in the middle getting time-lapse, just had an absolutely incredible drone flight. For those of you who don't know, I am a drone pilot and I've flown a lot, probably almost 300 flights in 2 years, and that was one of the top 10. Just insane, like really, really beautiful. The fall colors are still here down in the valley floor. We're starting to get some really nice color in the clouds. I could go on and on and on, but I've got some tea and it's time to live in the moment. Enjoy this, because this is why we travel and this is what we're here for, to capture these beautiful images, share it with you back at home, and hopefully inspire you to come out here or to go outside in your own backyard and try and find something something beautiful to capture. So we're lucky to be here in Patagonia right now. It is Thomas Heaton's birthday, so be sure to go over to his channel and give him a big shout. And yeah, just amazing. Couldn't be a better day. And I'm sure the crew is super happy with their images that they're getting. Blah, blah, blah. I keep on chatting on. I'm sorry, I'm blabbering away. But I just wanted to share this with you because it's so, so good. All right. So after an incredible sunset shoot here by this riverside, got the moonrise, got an amazing drone flight, got even some images. I know that the crew got a ton of great shots. So now it's time to get into Timon and Pumbaa and head back to El Chalten.
All the good stuff that comes from the lovely cow.
Do you know what that is?
I have no idea what this is.
It's intestine. And that's it for our giant Argentine dinner. Very, very good. The crew did a great job after a big day. They had an appetite and we finished it, which is awesome. So big shout out to Thomas Heaton. Happy birthday. And tomorrow is another day in Patagonia. We are going back to Chile and to Torres del Paine, which is going to be great. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video and I will definitely see you on the next one. Happy birthday to you.
and many more.